In this video, we'll learn how to find out the depth as well as calculate tensile reinforcement. Hello friend, I am Soumyadev, back to a new video regarding RCC. Last video we'll discuss the one maths where we find the how to find the moment of resistance. So in case you missed this video, then definitely go and check out from playlist section, or there's I button, just click on this I button. So for solving this maths, first we find out what is the given data, right? Here given data is B, that is the 350 mm. And what is the unknown data? Unknown is your D and AST unknown data. And there is a UDL, that is a 15 kilonewton per meter square. As the beam is simply support beam, so maximum bending moment should be WL squared by 8. Okay, span, that means L equal to your 8 meter, and M20 use and FE 250 is used. So M20, it is the value probably 7 and it is 140 Newton per mm square. Now see by step how we solve the problem. First we have to find out modular ratio, that is the sigma CVC by 280 by 3 sigma CVC, that is equal to your 13.33. K for M20 is 0.40. Lever arm J equal to 0.867 and R equal to 1.21. We know that M equal to R BD square. Then I can write here 1.21 BD square. That equal to our this WL square by 8. So that value is 120 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. Yes, sir. So D equal to 120 into 10 to the power 6 1.21 into 350. So value of D is 532.3 mm. Assume that it is 535 mm. Total depth equal to 535 plus 25 plus 10. Why? 25 from nominal crowbar, 10 is the D by 2, then D equal to 20 mm bar. So that is almost 570 mm. So now we have to find the D value. One is known. So this is 570 mm. This is a capital D, small d is 535 mm. Area of steel. Area of steel is AST equal to M by sigma ST JD, that is equal to 120 into 10 to the power 6 140 into 0.867 into 535, that is equal to 1847.9 mm square. So yeah, this is the maths where we find the depth as well as AST. So guys, if you have some problem regarding this, do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. If you find some value from this video, then definitely circulate this video to your group and circles. And for more this content, subscribe this channel. And next video we'll talk the shear and bond. So till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching this.